Your kitchen faucet is one of the most important fixtures in your kitchen. Here are our top 5 picks for kitchen faucets. Number 5, best budget. Coming in at number 5 is the Glacier Bay Fairhurst single-hand pull-down sprayer kitchen faucet. This budget option is light on price but offers high-end features with ceramic valves. With a price point under $100, this faucet can find its way into any kitchen. Number 4, best compact. Our next pick is the Moen Faucet 7294C. This compact faucet is great for smaller kitchens and can be installed on 1 or 3-hole sinks, making it a flexible option for your space. Number 3, best commercial style. The Kohler Crue semi-professional faucet is our number 3 pick. This commercial style faucet features a high arc swing arm that allows for fitting larger pots and pans under it, and a temperature memory feature that remembers the last water temperature you set the faucet to. Number 2, best smart faucet. Coming in at number 2 is the Delta Faucets Leland single-handle kitchen sink faucet with pull-down sprayer. This smart faucet features touchless technology and LED indicators for water temperature built in. Number 1, best overall. Our top kitchen faucet is the ZLINE Monet kitchen faucet. This stylish faucet features a higher 1.8 GPM flow rate and high-pressure anti-splash sprayer that really gets the dishes clean. Thanks for watching our top 5 deck-mounted kitchen faucets. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe for more top 5 appliance videos. You think we missed one? Leave a comment down below.